Hi, concave mirror and its applications. We already know that a plane mirror shows images of the same size. Actually, we use a plane mirror to know exactly how we are. But sometimes we expect that images to appear bigger, just like a dentist mirror or shaving purpose uses the mirror, makeup purpose uses the mirror. In these situations, instead of plane mirror, curved mirrors used. There are two types of curved mirrors: bent inward mirror, bulging outward mirror. Bent inward mirror known as a concave mirror. So concave mirror shows objects bigger than actual size. So let us see how a concave mirror shows images bigger than the size of the object. Before we go further, one should know the rules for image formation by concave. Rules means final direction of light rays after reflection from a concave mirror. So rule number 1. If a ray incident on concave mirror after reflection, it passes through focus. Another rule: incident ray strikes the pole of the mirror by making same angle with the principal axis, reflects back. Third rule: if a ray of light happen to strike the concave mirror, it reflects back along same path as it becomes normal incidence. Any ray of light that passes through center of curvature becomes normal at the point of incidence on the mirror. So it reflects back along same path. So out of these rules, some rules that we use to show the images formation by concave. Here is one more rule. The light ray passes through focus. After reflection, become parallel to principal axis. Here is one of the situations where the concave mirror is used. A dentist uses a mirror to see the actual problem inside the tooth. He uses this concave mirror. When it is seen through this concave mirror, a small tooth, it appears to be bigger as shown in the figure. In this ray diagram, we can take the help of two of the set the rules used in the formation of image. One is light ray parallel to principal axis. Another one, light strikes at pole. Reflected light rays from concave are not converging. They are diverging in nature. Diverging light rays would not meet. So no real image form on left side of the mirror. But these diverging light rays appears to be come from a point behind the mirror. That it gives an illusion that the tooth it appear bigger inside the mirror. Let us see the another case. This is the case that is used in vehicle headlights focus lights. when a bulb is placed exactly at a principal focus of a concave shining surface, light rays coming from the bulb after reflection almost become parallel. They would go long distance. This application it is used in focus lights as well in vehicle headlights. Let us see another application of concave, that is floodlights. Cricket stadium that it get illuminated by floodlights, day and night matches to go on in cricket stadium. That floodlights illuminate the ground. In floodlights, bulb is placed at the appropriate distance, that is beyond the focal length and less than the radius of curvature. Reflected light rays that they would converge at a point that would be beyond center of curvature, so that light rays that get spread over large area. This is another application of concave used in torchlights. Bulb is made to glow at a center of curvature of concave shining surface. Reflected light rays that meet at a point exactly center of curvature. Here images characteristics, that it is upside down image which can be caught on screen and also same size as object. This is one more application, that is street lights. Behind the bulb in street lights there a bend inward shining surface. Light from the bulb falls on that shining inward surface would get reflected onto the road. So in this we can say that it is image characteristics, real, inverted and diminished. And this is one more application. This is used in dish antennas. Dish antennas bent inward surfaces, satellites and the signals would get concentrated exactly at a certain distance above the dish antenna, where the receiver is placed. That receiver converts that signal suitably, can be transmitted to television. This is also another application as a solar concentrator. That sunlight that it is made to concentrate in the solar furnace in industries, so that sun rays can be captured, so that furnace that it get heated sufficiently raises temperature.